Welcome back, guys. I'm KP.
And I'm Genoj.
The real estate
Gurus.
and we want to welcome you back for the final walkthrough of the pink trap house. So what we're going to do right now, we're going to go in and show you guys all of the upgrades that we did. So follow us now.
Alright guys, I know you remember what this pink trap house used to look like. Now it looks like what you see behind me. Of course we changed the siding on the outside, of course we painted it, but we also want to give it a nice, clean, modern look. So we added a little gable on the top of the house and we boxed it off just to give it some curb appeal. The other thing that we did on the outside was we tiled up underneath the porch. So if you take a look right here, we tile this and we tile this wall. Just wanting to do something different. We want to add a little flavor to it, and we thought that this was a good idea, and this would be something to give it that extra curb appeal that this house was lacking. So let's take a look at the inside, and I'll show you what we did to the kitchen, and KP is going to show you how that bathroom turned out. As you walk into this house, of course we vaulted the ceilings, and we did a two-tone cabinet. We went with like a gray. Of course we did a two-tone kitchen. We went with the gray cabinet. We also went with a nice quartz that has some gray veins in it to blend into the white cabinets you see on the wall. And we did all black appliances. And we tried to add some gold fixtures to give it some pop. And behind you, we have a fireplace. So we wanted to do something different to this wall. We wanted to make it cool. So we painted the wall all black. Of course, we staged the house, and then we add this electrical fireplace in here. And this wall is an accent wall. So when you walk into the house, it just gives this room definition, and it makes it pop out at you.
All right, so let's go check out this master. All this is an addition to the house. It was just like a bonus room when we acquired the property, but we took it, put our stamp on it. So let me show you what we did with this bathroom. We got the 5-panel frosted glass door, barn door leading into the bathroom. And then when we get in the bathroom, I know it's gonna blow you away. Feel like I'm in a resort on a tropical island somewhere. This oasis in this bathroom is such a perfect space for you to come home and relax. we didn't only just tile the floor, we tiled the entire bathroom. Like all the walls, the entire floor. The space is just so clean and chic right now. And one of the main features that we put in here, since this is an addition, when we framed the roof, we decided to put a skylight up. And the skylight just gives it that natural light. It makes this space so much more fresher, like it just feels like a resort. And of course we went with the rain shower heads, so you can look up like you're in the rainforest getting rain. It turned out really, really well and really clean. And I think this may be something we start doing in a lot of our other additions. Because the skylight, I don't think anyone's doing that right now. We're going to bring it back. So remember, you saw it here first. Over here, we got the double vanity with the same quartz countertop with the gray veins. We got the illuminated mirrors. We love these. And they got defrost like a car. So when it gets foggy in here, it'll just defrost itself like a car windshield. And Geno chose this black color. I believe it's Triton Black from Sherwin-Williams, but it's such a dark, rich black, and it just adds to this space. We got the black hardware as far as the faucets and the drain stops, as well as the shower faucets. And it's just a great combination along with the door handles and door pulls. So that's what we decided to do in this old once upon a time pink trap house. And I hope you guys like this video. I mean, be sure to subscribe, click, and comment. We would love to see what you guys think so we can reply to you.
I want to share the numbers with you because we get a lot of questions all the time. What did it cost you guys to renovate this house? So you know the house used to be a pink trap house. Of course, we did a full gut job. The house was a complete renovation. And when it's all said and done, the house ended up costing us $92,000 to renovate the house. A lot of that cost was due to materials going up. Lumber is very, very, very expensive right now. If you don't believe me, go to Home Depot and buy 10 or 20 pieces of OSB. It's very expensive. So lumber hit us for a grip. The other thing has went up is sheetrock has went up. Cabinets have went up. Just about everything has went up. 5, 10, 8, 10% across the board. So prices are very high for materials right now. Just to reiterate the cost, if you didn't watch the first video, we bought this house for $85,000. We're planning on putting about $75,000 in it. We ended up being at $90,000. Right now we're in the contract for $290,000. Of course, we have some closing costs and carrying costs and points and stuff that we've paid. But all in all, we're very happy with the outcome of this property. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you learned something as we went through this flip. If you didn't, go back and watch some of the previous videos. If you have any questions, leave us comments below and we'll get back to you. Again, this is Geno J, Real Estate Guru. Until next time, guys, I'm out.